What's going on, y'all? It's your boy, Stock Holiday, right back at you again with the latest and the greatest in these cryptocurrency markets. Then do your boy a quick favor and hit that like button. Then do me one more favor and hit that subscribe button. Hey, today we have another fabulous day in the world of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is still hovering aboard the $70,000 mark, which is above its all-time high back in the previous bull market of 2021. So that is a great level for Bitcoin to be trading at this particular point. One of the coins we're going to get into today, we are going to talk about one of the coins that I am asked some of the most questions about, and that is none other than Spell Token. So we're going to do a deep dive into Spell Token. We're going to touch on it in just a little bit, just to kind of get a overall view of what's going on with Spell Token. What should we be looking at, so forth and so on. But Bitcoin is holding strong today above $70,000. And y'all, we know we are 1 week, 7 days from the Bitcoin halving. That is exciting news. You guys should be ready. We know what happens at the Bitcoin halving. We know what happens after the Bitcoin halving. Currently, the Bitcoin dominance is 53%. The Bitcoin dominance is another thing that we should be mindful of. It's another thing that we should be watching. Typically, when the Bitcoin dominance gets to a high level of about 58%, we can expect it to start going back down. When the Bitcoin dominance starts to dip back down, then we know that is an indicator, a leading sign that we are nearing what they call alt season. When the Bitcoin dominance starts to dip in the 40s, then you better look out. We are looking for altcoin season to start to creep in. Altcoins start to become more dominant than Bitcoin, which causes the Bitcoin dominance to start to dip. So we're looking forward to that. We know typically maybe couple of months after the Bitcoin halving, we're expecting these altcoins to really start to gel, come together, develop, and really start to head in the upward direction. That's what everybody's waiting on. So many folks are kicking back, waiting on these altcoins to explode. It's a patience game. The fear and greed index is at 76. It's holding steady. So everybody's just kicking back. Everybody's wondering what's going on. What are we to expect before the Bitcoin halving? What are we to expect after the Bitcoin halving? It's a game of patience. Kick back, keep your seatbelts on. So Spell Token. Spell Token is one of the coins that we have been in for probably over a year. We got in Spell Token when it was very low, when it was beat down. Spell Token is a coin that's been out since 2021, the previous bull market. The Spell Token all-time high was 0.033 cent. Currently, you look at Spell Token today is up maybe 3 or 4 cents. The price of Spell Token is 0.0012. So the market cap is real low. The market cap for Spell Token is $127 million. So very low cap coin, very small market cap, especially when you're seeing Bitcoin at a $70,000 mark. But one of the individuals a few days ago, he was like, "Coach, what's going on with Spell Token? Are you still bullish in Spell Token?" I said, "What?" "Yeah, I'm still bullish in Spell Token." He's like, "Okay." But, he was looking at the 5-day chart. That's why when you look at these coins, you really have to do a overall pure analysis of what's going on. You kind of have to have a bird's eye view, because if you're just looking at the daily charts, if you're just looking at the weekly charts, you're not getting a true perspective of what's going on with that play. You're not getting a true perspective of the characteristics of that particular coin. So I said, yeah, I'm still bullish in that coin. So I showed him the charts. I'm like, look, man, you could look at back in February, back in February, this coin was 0.0004. It had 3 zeros and a 4. And you look at it today, this coin is 0.0012. So that is like a 3x in a matter of 2 months. So when I broke it down to him like that, he was like, "Oh, okay. So Spell Token is doing its thing." I'm like, "Yeah, Spell Token is on the right trajectory. It is going in the right direction. You just have to be patient. This is not something that's going to happen overnight. This is a serious game of patience. A lot of folks are expecting altcoins to just magically overnight do a 100x, do a 200x, do a 10x, something like that overnight. No, it's not a overnight process. It is a process that is filled with a bunch of patience that is required. You know, you have to get your plays set and you have to kick back and let these plays develop. These plays take time. It's going to be volatility. You're going to see the markets dip, but when it recover and start to go back up, you will see higher highs, and that's when the multipliers will start to kick in. But if you're constantly trading, if you see your play down 8%, you're getting mad, you're getting emotional, and you're selling your play, and then 3 days later you see that play up 15%, you're going to be kicking yourself because you got out of your play, because you didn't have the patience. And then you're going to be saying, well, damn, had I stayed in that play, I would be up a 3x. I would be up a 4x, but I was trading. I had FOMO, the fear of missing out. I saw these other plays that was up, these other plays that were green, so I sold my play, got into these other plays. So that is a pure recipe to get wrecked. You do not want to get wrecked in this 2024-2025 cycle. You want to take advantage of what is at the miss and what is right here at the forefront and right in front of us. You want to take advantage of this. You do not want to have to wait to 2028 because you've made so many mistakes that, you know, a lot of us do make, especially when we're newbies. That's why I tell everybody, join us over there in the Patreon. I would love to hold your hand and give you the guidance and share with you all the things that I had to bump my head when I went through during the first cycle, during the previous cycle. There were so many things that I didn't know, but now that I know, I want to share with you all the experiences that I went through, all the pitfalls, what you should be looking out for, and what you should not be doing and what you kind of should be doing. So wherever I can help at, that is what I'm here for. So click that link down below. Join us over there at Patreon. We would love to see you over there. We have a great community of folks that love to talk about cryptocurrency all day, just like you. A bunch of folks over there that are looking to become financially free in this upcoming 2024-2025 bull market. So patience is very important right now. You want to make sure that you have a nice community that you are a part of. Find you someone that has a voice of reason. Find you someone that you can trust in this cryptocurrency community. Join their platform. Join their program, whether it's with me, the Stock Holiday family, or some other fella or gal on YouTube that you know, have a vibe with or whatever it is. But like I say, I just continue to come to y'all to give y'all that good encouragement. Just want to continue to come to y'all and give y'all that good motivation. And that's all I got for you on this one. It's your boy Stock Holiday, and I'm out.